JM at Noel, maya-maya lang, isusot niyo sa isa't isa ang inyong wedding ring, kasabay ng mga makahulugang salita.
Finally! Finally, we're here, love. I'm very excited to be marrying you. And thankful ako sa'yo. Naiyak ako.
Siguro kinakabahan, pero hindi dahil sa amin. Excited ako sa kanya eh. Kasi alam kong talagang magkakaisa na kami.
Sorry. I love you. See you later.
Okay, tara, let's go na.
Basta ang lagi niyong tatandaan, JM at Noel, kung masaya kayo, masaya kami, masaya tayong lahat, higit na lalong masaya ang Diyos. Kasi ikakasal na niya kayo. Mas matutupad na niya ang magaganda niyang plano para sa inyo.
To the love of my life, JM. Before I met you, I wasn't looking. I wasn't even asking for someone to come into my life.
Ito na lamang ang iyong mga luha.
But I remember one quiet moment with God. I told Him, Lord, kung bibigyan mo ako ng boyfriend, sana yung taong makakasama ko na habang buhay. Yung aalagaan at masasandalan ko, lalo na sa mga panahong wasak, pagod, o pinanghihinaan ako ng loob. And then, after 3 years, God gave me you.
Love you, bro. Love you, love you. Very sweet. I met the most amazing woman of my life from the moment I saw you at that restaurant. It felt like everything around me slowed down because I saw this breathtakingly beautiful woman walking towards me. I knew that day you were the one. I knew in my heart that you were the woman I was going to marry. But it wasn't just your beauty that captured me. It was your warmth, your kindness, the way you love so deeply. That's what I fell in love with the most.
Nandito lang ako, umaakay sa'yo. Nandito lang ako, naghihintay sa'yo. Nandito lang ako, umaakay sa'yo. Nandito lang ako.
I just want to say that I am proud of the person you were, the man you are, and the man you're becoming. And I'm proudly saying that I am so blessed to be marrying my best friend.
In front of God, the church, and our loved ones, I give you all of me, my heart, my soul, my forever.
Naglakad ka ng dahan-dahan sa pasilyo tungo sa altar ng simbahan.